Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and the video for today is we gonna cook. Look at that, we gonna do grilling and baking vegetables. Come on guys, let's go. I'm gonna mix sauce. So I have this sriracha, barbecue sauce for our chicken. This is spicy guys, look at that. And then barbecue sauce, hot kenders. And we gonna mix this with Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. I'm gonna put a little bit of black pepper and salt. Then I'm gonna squeeze lemon. And I'm gonna use this to mix it. Chopstick. So now it's ready. The chicken guys, we're gonna do barbecue today. Here's the tri-tip that I'm gonna put spices. Look at that. This is the new one from the butcher. Okay, let's start guys to do put spices for these two tri-tip. Because today's the weekend and Saturday we are just finished fixing the garage, so now it's time to do barbecue. First thing is I'm gonna put this olive oil. Just put olive oil just enough to cover for the meat. Sometimes oh wow, there's some more fats in here. I think I'm just gonna take it out some of the fats because I do want this to catch the fire. There you go. Because it's a thick fat. This one guys is from the butcher just right now. We get it, this one there. This one is from Costco. So we're gonna grill two tri-tip today because tomorrow is a Super Bowl. So the first thing guys, after the olive oil, is this a pink salt. And then the second one is the black pepper. And then And then we're gonna put this Harris Ranch rub. The second one is this Kenders. It depends how much you're gonna put for your spices, guys. But this is the one that how the way we like. We like more spices, and this one is the roadies. After that, you have to do the massage. That's what I do. I just wipe it a little, and then I'm gonna put the Worcestershire. I don't know if I mentioned that I see the right word or the pronunciation. And then I'm gonna massage it more. So I want to cover every meat for the spices. And I'm gonna put this poncho citro sauce. Just a little. It's just enough. And then this is the next one is the Gentleman Jack, so that the meat is gonna be like smooth and soup is not gonna be hard. Then we're gonna massage a little bit more, and then we're gonna flip so that we can put meat in the other side. There you go. Hope you can see it, guys. So I'm gonna repeat in the other side also. So here we come, guys. The tri-tip is ready. Look at that. This one is from the butcher just now, and the other one is from Costco. And here's the chicken and the barbecue sauce. So it's ready to put in the grill. So next thing that I'm gonna prepare, guys, is I'm gonna grill mixed vegetables. So this is the jalapeno, bell pepper, green bell pepper. This is yellow and red. And this one is we're gonna grill like this. And then the next thing is I'm gonna bake sweet potato yam. These three. I'm still waiting for my Brussels sprouts. My husband went to the market just right now. So I'm just gonna cut this into pieces, and then I'm gonna make I'm gonna put salt and pepper and garlic powder. Oh, by the way guys, this is its look like. So I cut this in also halfway for jalapeno, and this is the onion. So I need to put the black pepper, this black pepper, salt, and granulated garlic. And then a little bit of olive oil. And this is the way I mix it. So this is the one guys, it's ready to grill. And this is how the way it's look like guys. The Persian cheese. So here's the sweet potato yam. I'm gonna cut it this thin slice. This is how the way I fill the sweet potato yam guys. This is how the way it's look like. Now we're gonna cut it thin one, very thin slice. First, I wanna dry it up. And this is how the way I cut it. I have to lower my camera so you can see it. And it's gonna be here because I'm gonna put some spices. So this is the one guys, the sweet potato. I put the chili powder, black pepper powder, salt, and garlic, granulated garlic. I'm gonna put a little bit of cinnamon. A little bit of pumpkin pie spice, and then olive oil. And I'm gonna mix it, but I don't wanna record it because it's gonna be noisy of this plastic. Then we're gonna put salt, black pepper, garlic powder, then olive oil. And we're gonna mix it. And here we come, guys. We're gonna put to the baking pan. And then we're gonna put balsamic vinegar, bacon, and here we come, guys, ready to bake. Time to prepare the pan for the sweet potato yam after soaking at the spices for 15 minutes. Now ready for baking. Now time to prepare for the sauce for the zucchini. So olive oil, balsamic vinegar, garlic powder, salt and pepper. Now ready to grill. Here's the one, guys. I'm starting baking for 25 minutes in 425 Celsius. Fahrenheit. At that. See?
Full strokes.
It's my husband's chef. Chef there. And here's the finale.
Finale.
Yes, because I'm filming this earlier.
Tagalog.
That's the chicken, brisket, coleslaw, spicy coleslaw,
And me.
zucchini, Brussels sprouts, sweet potato yam, mixed chili, and another brisket. Look at that. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Hope you like it my video. See you soon. Look at this food. Come on, guys, let's eat.